We are in Photoshop, so let's apply the background eraser tool. So here is the style of the layer. We will use different styles. I have used it and get the layer and picture in this way. There is a distort. We will use the ripple here to make it liquidate the image. Then for the further we will use that one, and also we will remove it so that it is we have half of the image is edited and half is still like that.